How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Xiaomi robot vacuum E5. Now, this is extremely simple. Basically, you just want to make sure that your device is powered on. Now, there's two ways to do this, which is basically turned on and turned off. So first things first, you want to turn on your device. After turning it on, you'll want to basically grab it, and then we have two buttons on our device right here, which is going to be the home button, and then we have the power button. So what you want to do is to basically just press these two buttons simultaneously, which basically hold them together for at least 7 seconds. Now, by doing this, it will basically restore the device onto its factory resetting. After holding it for around 7 seconds, you will hear a voice prompt and you will see flashing lights. So just wait for the flashing lights to be stable, and from there, it will indicate us of being a successful reset. Now, if your device is turned on, you basically want to do the same thing. In some other models out there, the powered on mode doesn't entirely work. So if you've tried it power on, you also want to try it on power off just to make sure that it works perfectly. Once again, 7 seconds is enough. You will hear a voice prompt or a flashing lights indicating that the reset is successful. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.